अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज बड़े ही बेहतरीन खूबसूरत वेदर के साथ आपकी खिदमत में एक बार फिर हाजिर हैं। आज इस गाड़ी का हम रिव्यू करने जा रहे हैं। दिस इज़ अ टोयोटा करोला GLI ऑटोमेटिक 2020 मॉडल, द मोस्ट फेमस रिलायबल सेडान ऑफ ऑल टाइम इन पाकिस्तान। This generation of Corolla launched back in 2016 in Pakistan and still going strong. We have 6 variants offered by Toyota in this generation. Number 1 is XLI, then XLI Auto, GLI, GLI Auto, Altis and Corolla Altis Grande, which is top of the line version for this generation. Now coming to the prices, as per the latest price list issued by Toyota in this, the price for XLI manual is 25,81,000. For XLI automatic, it is 26,81,000. GLI manual is 28,31,000 and GLI automatic is 29,31,000. Further we have Altis 1.6 which is 33,91,000 and Grande, which is top of the line version, which is costing you around 40,06,000 rupees. The car in front of us is a GLI automatic which cost us around 29,31,000 rupees plus registration cost, which is 65,000 rupees. Now coming to the specs, it is a 4-door sedan with a seating capacity of 5 persons. It comes with a 4-cylinder 1299cc VVTi engine with 5-speed automatic transmission. The fuel tank of this car is of 55 liters and company claims that it can easily fetch up to 12 km per liter in city and 15 km per liter on highway. It has 4-wheel disc brake with ABS function. The rim size on this car is 15 inches and comes stock with a 195/65 tire with 15-inch steel rims. Steering of this car is electronically powered, known as EPS, electronic power steering. Coming to the features which are offered by Toyota Indus in this GLI automatic variant are: it comes with a AC, all power 4 windows, power steering, ABS brakes, 2 airbags, keyless entry, immobilizer, central locking, electronic power steering with adjustment function, CD MP3 player which also supports USB, aux, Bluetooth and remote boot lid. This car looks very decent in white color with stock looks. Ground clearance of this car is way too good. The engine and suspension is very reliable, which is the only reason this car is famous amongst the rural as well as the urban locality. Now coming towards the interior, the dashboard quality is improved in this facelift version. Rest all is as it was in 2016 and onwards model. The cluster panel here, as you can see, comes with an analog speedometer, technometer, analog fuel gauge and a digital information screen. On the door panel, we have switches for central locking, 4 power windows and windows lock function. In front of this, we have the control for side mirrors. The infotainment system on this car is very basic and it supports MP3, aux, USB and Bluetooth with 4-speaker system. Below the infotainment system, we have analog dials for climate control, as you can see in the picture. Corolla tried to make the dashboard as elegant as they could, but honestly there is plenty of room for improvement. The quality of dashboard is not as good as expected in this 3 million car, but what can we expect from Toyota Indus? If we look down a little, we find here the socket for cigarette lighter and some space for keeping your valuables, like you are seeing in the picture. It comes with a gate type shifter. We have 2 cup holders alongside with the handbrake and also a decent handrest with a plenty of space inside it. The glove box is also spacious and serves the purpose well. Door panels of this car is made of plastic with a touch of fabric here, as you can see in the picture, which is supposed to look elegant, but वो कहते हैं ना, सोचने को ये ख्याल गालिब अच्छा है. Coming towards the seat, they are really comfortable, cozy and completed with fabric material, which in my opinion is good. Legroom both at front and back is good and average height person can fit easily. Boot space in this car is very good and the trunk lid opens with a remote control key here. As far as the drive of this car is concerned, the drive is very good, engine response is good, transmission is very good, suspension is smooth, but the only problem is the road grip issue. So this is all for today. We tried to make the review as complete as possible and simple as possible. Further, if you want anything else or if you want to see anything else, please write down in the comment below. And yes, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.